Hello, dear students. You all are fit and well at home, and expect that you are utilizing your time well by our online material, which we are trying to provide you, so that you study at home and utilize your time well. So, we are discussing the first chapter of our physical education portion, that is planning in sport. We have discussed the definition and objectives of planning. Today, we are going to discuss the importance of planning in physical education. What are the importance of planning in the field of physical education? Planning gives us direction and reduce undue pressure. You know well that when we plan things, we can achieve the desired goal and our targets. And it reduces the unwanted and unnecessary pressure of immediacy, thus less stressful during the tournament. It develops creative ideas and good control over activities. Planning definitely develops creative ideas we can implement, thus, it can promote innovation. Planning helps us to keep good control over various activities of the tournament. Other than that, we can increase success rate. Good planning can ensure the success, thus, failure can be prevented. It can increase coordination. Planning improves the coordination among the various committees, improves resources. Planning help to give good use of resources. Thus, best and economical result can be gained. It can prevent wastage. Planning prevent wastage of resources. Moreover, wastage of time also can be prevented. It can increase efficiency. Thus, maximum output can be gained. Moreover, it reduces the stress. Good schedule. Planning help to make good schedule of the tournament. Thus, good utilization of time with comfortable rest time for the officials, those who are engaged in different type of activities or different committees. They can rest and they can give their best. Other than that, there are various committees and their responsibilities. Today, sport tournaments are participated with great enthusiasm among large number of teams. A well-organized tournament is one of the best methods for evaluating the skill of a team. Good tournament has healthy competition, and to organize it, a good planning is also required. For a smooth conduct of a sport tournament, it is necessary to form various committees, which should be performing their duties with full responsibility along with good coordination among them. The duties of these committees have to do a lot of work, which are categorized as pre-tournament, means before the tournament, and during the tournament, while the tournament is going on, and post-tournament work, means after the tournament. So there are many committees according to the game or match or any activity you can form. As suppose there should be a committee of a chairperson, of chair patron or tournament director. There should be a director before any tournament. Chief technical advisor should be there. Organizing secretary should be there. Ground arrangement committee should be there. There should be a technical committee which can help during the pre-work to do all arrangements over the play field as technical requirements like shore seat, official table equipments of the games, and other things. During, they can manage the conduct the game as per schedule, to perform duty as a referee, umpiring during duty during the game, and these all things. Then we should have a discipline committee, reception committee, finance committee, boarding and lodging or accommodation committee, ceremonial committee, press and media committee. So there are many committees with their responsibilities to make sure or ensure the success of a tournament. So planning helps us a lot for creating these kind of committees, and hope you understood all the topics that we have discussed. We have discussed about the importance of planning, and the different committees help to conduct a tournament that can be formed. So these are all the things we have discussed today, and today's assignment is you have to make a flow chart of all possible committees required for successful conduction of a basketball match. Suppose there is a basketball match and you are going to conduct it. How many committees you will form and what duties you will assign to them. So these all things you have to keep in mind and prepare a flow chart for that. So this is your assignment for today. Try to make it proper, and have good food, exercise every day, and remain safe at home. Have a good day.